Hi everybody. So this vehicle is a 2004 Ford Explorer and it has the 4-liter V6 engine. And like most others, this one developed a timing chain rattle. So I took the top of the engine off and took off the valve covers so I can try and figure out exactly where the problem's occurring. And like a lot of others, this one has a problem with the rear chain. So on the passenger side, back of the head, one of the guides for this chain broke apart, and there's actually some pieces laying around here in the head and probably a whole lot that fell down this hole into the engine. But you can see how this chain is just really loose and flopping around and hitting this bolt, which is actually supposed to hold the guide in place. So this is definitely where the noise was coming from. You can see just how loose this chain is. I can almost pop it right up off the timing gear. But the guide on this side looks like it's okay. So that's it for the right head. But on the driver's side, this chain actually looks like it's in good shape. Feels tight. The guide looks like it's intact. That might be some cracking there, but it also might just be some foamy debris. But this chain looks like it's okay. So I don't think this chain was making any noise. But I did find another problem on this side, and I think it might be caused by a blown head gasket or possibly a cracked head. So here inside the left valve cover, I found some foamy oil up in the back corner, right above cylinder number 6. And there's also some foam in the oil here on top of the head. And this cap and bolt are covered with sludge. So is this one, and this one too. So I have a feeling that we might have something going on either with a head gasket or a cracked head, because somehow coolant is getting into the oil here. Now another thing I noticed when I was taking the intake off is this one back runner was a lot cleaner than all the others. So if we just pull this one out, for example, that one looks normal, nice and black, coated in carbon. And even if I do the same with that one or this one up here, all of these have their normal carbon coating. But this one back here is pretty clean. And now that I got into the valve cover and found all this sludge and found this bit of foam in here, I'm thinking the head gasket must be blown right around cylinder number 6. Of course, the head also could be cracked, but a head gasket is definitely more likely. And that kind of makes sense too with what I found in the overflow bottle, which I've already taken out. But when I first started taking this engine apart, that bottle had no antifreeze in it, really just a few drops on the bottom. And even though I got about 2 gallons of antifreeze out, I still think there might be something wrong. So, not so cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.